Welcome to the week of limbo in between Christmas and New Year's, where no one knows what day it is or what date it is, and you don't have to because it's vacation. So, I want to know if you, my family, my friends, my network, my community of support, if you're interested in setting and achieving some health goals with me during the month of January. Why? Why do this? Obviously, besides the New Year, New You trend and setting your New Year's resolutions, but more importantly, we are the average of the people we surround ourselves with. And I firmly believe the same goes for our social media network. If you fill your newsfeed with nutrition goals, examples of healthy choices, and other people who are trying to feel their best, not necessarily look like a certain way, but feel your best, then your chances of doing the same go way up. I'd like to hopefully offer something that promotes real growth, real lifelong progress and change. I know what it feels like when your food is not helping you work towards your goal. Everything feels out of place when you don't feel your best. And that's how I felt the last couple of weeks. And so I'm hoping that I can help, even if it's just one person, help someone else feel like they have some semblance of control in this crazy world. So this is in no way, shape, or form any kind of diet or challenge or detox or program. It's simply me sharing my nutrition goal that I set each week and then sharing some examples of how I'm achieving that goal, and some tips, some tricks that might help you, as well as some extensions. So for my overachievers who like to go above and beyond and earn that gold star, how you can do that. I'm curious to know if any of you might want to join me. There's no sign up. I'm not going to ask for your email. There's no payments, no strings attached. This is literally me just putting some feelers out there and seeing if you want to share in the journey with me to get back on track. The goals will be, specific to me, but general enough that anyone can follow them. I think I'm going to touch on hydration, fruit, protein, and veggies, as well as maybe some whole grains. So if you think you might want to join me, please comment below or send me a private message. If it's not worthwhile, then I'll just quietly go on with my personal nutrition goals in January, and I'll have no offense taken. So thanks all. Hope you have a great Monday.